And you shall dwell in booths for 7 days, that your generations may know that I made the children of Israel dwell in booths when I brought them out of the land of Egypt. Vayikra Leviticus 23, 42-43. The forgotten secret behind the feast. Every autumn, as the Feast of Tabernacles, Sukkot, fills the earth with lulavim, etrogim, and the scent of palm branches, something ancient stirs in the heavens. Humanity remembers to rejoice, to build temporary shelters, to host guests beneath the stars. But somewhere along the way, the meaning was reduced to ritual, and the mystery that the prophets encoded was lost. The sukkah was never merely a hut, it was a living symbol of consciousness, the Merkavah of the heart, the vessel where heaven meets earth. The true sukkah is built not with branches, but with awareness. It is the inner sanctuary where your human breath, ruach, remembers its divine origin. The covering of palm leaves? It mirrors the clouds of glory, the luminous field surrounding every awakened soul. The Feast of Tabernacles was not about remembering homelessness. It was about remembering home, the one within you. The cloud and the fire, divine technology of presence. In the wilderness, the Israelites followed two phenomena, the ananei hakavod, clouds of glory, by day, and the pillar of fire by night. The Tanach reveals that these were not meteorological events, but frequencies of guidance, visible manifestations of divine consciousness leading the collective soul through transition. When the cloud moved, the people moved. When the cloud rested, they rested. This was the original law of alignment, not obedience to external command, but attunement to divine rhythm. The prophets knew this truth. The cloud never left. Humanity simply forgot how to see it. The true dwelling of God. The sukkah was never meant to contain God. It was meant to remind us that we are contained within God. King Solomon built a temple of stone, but even he confessed, "But will God indeed dwell on the earth? Behold, heaven and the heaven of heavens cannot contain you." 1 Kings 8:27. And yet the Shekhinah, the presence, rests not in the gold, not in the rituals, not in the separation between priest and people, but in the trembling breath of one who remembers, "I am that dwelling." The heart of God never desired walls. The heart of God desired awareness. The water pouring ceremony, the hidden renewal code. During ancient Sukkot, priests poured water over the altar while the people rejoiced, singing Ushavtem mayim b'sason, "You shall draw water with joy." But this was not only a prayer for rain. It was a ritual of recalibration. Water represents consciousness. To draw water with joy meant to draw awareness from the inner wells, to rehydrate the spirit after the dryness of ego and fear. This was the code of the prophets. Joy was not the result of abundance. It was the magnet that summoned it. The true tabernacle, within and among us. When the prophets spoke of God tabernacling among the people, it was never about geography. It was about frequency. "And I will set my dwelling among you, and my soul shall not reject you." Vayikra 26:11. The word betochkem, among you, can also mean within you. The message was always inward. The sukkah was a mirror, a cosmic rehearsal of how to live lightly in the world, rooted not in possessions, but in presence. The heart of God lies here. If you wish to honor Sukkot, do not only build a booth outside. Build one in your chest. Make your heart the place where strangers are welcomed, where fear dissolves into light, where the presence feels safe to dwell. The true Feast of Tabernacles begins when your heart becomes the tent of the divine. This year, as you sit under the stars, remember, you were never meant to visit the presence. You were meant to embody it. This year, when you sit in your sukkah, lift your eyes from the table and plates to the tapestry above. The stars are not distant. They are windows through which the Holy One still peers into your heart. For that is where the heart of God lies, not in the structure of religion, but in the simplicity of remembrance.